Hello, my name is Selena King, and this is the interactive advanced concept presentation for week 5. And we're going to try to create a fire out of a lemon, and to give you a heads up, it did not work. I tried this 2 or 3 different times, and it wasn't a success. So just a little bit background, we needed 6 zinc nails, 6 copper clips, some rubber wire, some steel wool, and then some toilet paper, or something that could catch fire. And for this it's a lemon electrochemical cell fire. And in the end, there was no spark. And in order for this battery to work, it needs 2 electrodes and 1 electrolyte. The copper clips are considered to be the cathode, and the zinc nails in this experiment are the anode. The acid from the lemon is very acidic, and it is used as the electrolyte. And like I said before, with the lemon juice being super acidic, it is able to remove the electrons from the zinc nail. The electrons are able to conduct across the wire. Hydrogen is created from the lemon and then moved to the copper clips. And the electrons prefer to be in the copper components rather than the zinc components. And to sum up, there's a chemical reaction because there are differences in the electronegativity between the copper and zinc metals when they move across the wire. So like I said, there was no spark created, and a couple things that could have happened. Maybe there wasn't enough copper in the copper clips. It could have been that maybe there wasn't enough zinc from the nail not being big enough. It could have been maybe that the wire wasn't in full contact with each clip. We did use some pliers to try to get it as close as possible to make sure that it was. And like I said earlier, there was no spark. So you can see here that we're trying to rub it on the steel wool, and then I would try to move it to the toilet paper. And like after doing this a couple times and just kind of like playing around with it to see if we could get anything, we didn't even get any warmth either to like maybe instant or to even like potentially say that there was a fire that was created, or at least some warmth that was being created. Yeah, it didn't work so well, but it was fun doing this experiment, and yeah, so thanks for watching.